Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on Task View on your PC or laptop. Task View is a super useful feature in Windows that helps you manage your open applications and virtual desktops more efficiently. Let's get started. First, take your mouse cursor and move it to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Right-click on the taskbar, and you'll see a menu pop up. In this menu, look for the option that says Show Task View button and click on it. Once you do that, you'll notice the Task View button appear on your taskbar. It looks like a small rectangle with a vertical line next to it. Next, let's click on the Task View button to open it. Task View is a feature that allows you to see all your open applications and virtual desktops in one place. It makes switching between apps or creating new virtual desktops a breeze. Now, as you can see, Task View shows thumbnails of all the windows you currently have open. One of the great features of Task View is that you can close applications directly from this view. To do this, simply hover over the thumbnail of the app you want to close and click the X in the top right corner of the thumbnail. Let me demonstrate by closing two open applications. I'll just click the X on their thumbnails, and you can see that these applications are now closed and their thumbnails are gone from Task View. And that's it. Task View is an excellent tool for multitasking and keeping your workspace organized. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.